Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable light mode on your PowerPoint app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. Sorry, you click here on your photo profile. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on it, then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here, then you click here on theme here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on light here, so then you click here on garage here, and before that you have to restart your application here. So I'm going to get out and I'm going to click here on PowerPoint again. Sorry, I'm going to click on my PowerPoint here. When you start it, it's going to show for you here light mode like you see now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.